off to see a T5 today. Hopefully it's going to be the one we want. Don't know, we've had a look at it online. The guy's done a little walk around video and it looks quite good. So hopefully it's going to be the one. So there'll be a whole new conversion coming up. After we've seen that, we're going off to Bude. Watch the sunset go down. I've got the drone with me, so fingers crossed we can get up in the air and get some nice footage as well. Stay with us, let's see what happens. Went and had a look at the van. I did get a chance to video it. Wasn't really what we were looking for. And I guess the search continues. So now we're going to head off to Bude. So we've made it onto Bude. We're on Summerlees beach at the moment. There's quite a lot of people here, surprisingly. But, they're all slowly leaving the beach now. It's 6 o'clock in the evening, and we're going to just have a little wander down the beach, we'll have a little paddle, and then we're going to try and find somewhere to eat. Me, she's going to have a paddle, get her feet in. Black Rock Beach near Bude. Flew the drone earlier up behind me, and you can see some footage just now. We stopped and had some fish and chips up there. We're now going to watch the sunset. I think we're going to take the drone up again and possibly fly it around the rock. down along the beach a bit. Few reprobates on the beach, and there's a few dubs up behind. The sun's setting on a lovely day. We went to see a T5, and the T5 obviously wasn't any good. Well, it was good, but it wasn't what we wanted. And had some great fish and chips. Flown the drone a bit today for a change, and now we're watching the sun go down. It gives me a chance to say, if you enjoy my channel, if you enjoy what you see, what I do, please subscribe. Really appreciate when people subscribe. Like this video. There's going to be lots more. Just in the process of planning how we're going to get some overseas trips as well. There's still loads to do in Cornwall, lots to see. That's the end of another day. What have we done today then? We've had some chips. We had a terrible Starbucks coffee earlier. Flown the drone. And we're in Bude. Well, we're at Black Rock now, and the sun's going down. What could be better? Come and visit Cornwall, it's great.